All right, you guys, welcome back to exponential equations, exponential functions is what we're looking at in this next video. All right, so we are going to jump right in with our examples, and yes, we are jumping right into word problems. Okay, so our first question. A person places $7,230 in an investment account earning an annual rate of 8.6% compounded continuously. Using the formula V equals, got it written down, PE to the RT, where V is the value of the account after T years, P is the principal initially invested, E is the natural base of the base of a natural logarithm, R is the rate of interest to determine the amount of money, okay? R is the rate of interest, comma, determine the amount of money to the nearest cent in the account after 3 years. Okay, so you can kind of see as I was reading it, okay, I was kind of showing you where I'm going to plug things in and what they are. Okay, so a person places $72,000 in an account. Okay, so that's their principal. So $7,230. Okay, E, that's a button on your calculator, or in Desmos, you just type it in. E. All right, our rate is 8.6%. All right, 8.6%, we have to convert that to a decimal. So the decimal place, 0.086 times, okay, our time, which is 3 years. Okay. All right, so now I need to type this stuff into Desmos. So what does that look like? And if you have a graphing calculator like mine, okay, your E button, okay, is above your division symbol. Okay, and you have to type second E so it comes up correctly. All right, but in Desmos, you just type it in. Okay, so if I go over here, so I type in 7230 E exponent. I'm going to put parentheses because my exponent is a multiplication problem. 0.086 times 3. Close it. All right, you can see here it's done the calculation. So 9,358.06965865. All right, so let's go back to Delta Math. It says to the nearest cent. So that means this 9 will take that 7 to a 6. So $9,358.07. So what that means, and this is like real life. I can't make this stuff up. This is actually what happens when you go and you invest money and you come back 3 years later under these circumstances. Okay. And nothing has happened. You've just basically gone to the bank, dropped off the money, given them $7,230. Okay, these circumstances are what they are. For 3 years, you come back and you cash out, and this is what you'll leave with. Okay, all right, so 9,358.07. Submit. Yes, we got our green check. Okay, all right, so let's look at a new problem. Okay. It says a culture of bacteria has an initial population of 860 bacteria and doubles every 9 hours using the formula. Okay, so this is our nice little formula. P sub t equals P sub 0 times 2, and the exponent is a fraction of t divided by d, where P sub t is the population after t hours, P sub 0 is the initial population, t is the time, in hours, and D is the doubling time. What is the population of bacteria in the culture after 4 hours to the nearest whole number? Okay, so that's what these examples are going to be. You taking the formula that's been provided to you and making those substitutions. So P sub t equals P sub 0 times 2 t divided by d. All right. We know we have an initial population of 860 bacteria, and it doubles every 9 hours. Okay. All right. So times 2, and it doubles. So the doubling time is the denominator. So it doubles every 9 hours. Okay. What is the population of the bacteria in the culture after 4 hours? T is the time, so 4 hours. Okay. All right. So now I'm just going to go switch over here to Desmos. 860 times 2 exponent. I'm going to put that in parentheses again because I have a division problem. 4 divided by 9. Okay. All right. So that gives me 1,170.279. All right, and we are been told to round to the nearest whole number. Well, this 2 says there's no rounding. So 1,170. So 1,170. Submit answers. Yes. Okay. All right. So I can keep clicking through problems, but really honestly, I don't want to do every single one because then if you're presented with a different formula, you're simply just going to replicate what I've done. I want you to kind of see formulas for the first time, and are you able to make that substitution based on the description in the problem, okay? But if you get stuck, send me a picture. I'll gladly help you out, okay? And good luck with this part of your Delta Math assignment.